Hello LaserGRBL friend, today I am here with my favorite laser engraver, the legendary AlgoDelta, and in my hand I have their new product, the infrared laser module that I'm going to present to you. In the box I received, well protected by a layer of shockproof foam, I first found a nice manual containing all the necessary guidelines for mounting the infrared laser module on AlgoLaser engraving machine and almost all third-party laser machines. In particular, the manual illustrates the small controller found in the package, with all the connection ports. The manual continues with the instruction for mounting the module on some engraving machine, such as Algo MK2 or the Ortur OLM3. Now let's have a look at the content. Here is the controller board I mentioned, which we will elaborate on next. Then there is the laser module in all its glory, nice and solid, well designed and made of prime material. We also find an additional 24-volt power supply that can be used if the one supplied with your engraver is insufficient to power the infrared laser. Here are the cables and a dovetail fixture, with multiple holes to adapt the module to the various laser models and brands on the market. Finally, some more cables and some double-sided tape to glue the controller to the chassis if needed. Let's assemble it. I tested the AlgoLaser infrared laser on my AlgoDelta, the laser machine I own, featuring the best AlgoLaser technologies. It is a very fast machine and it's perfect for housing the infrared module. I thought the latter can be used on virtually any laser engraver. To mount it, simply remove 4 screws and access the junction box. Then disconnect the standard laser module and connect the infrared laser cable. If your engraver does not have this connector, or if the voltage is insufficient, you can use the additional controller board available with the IR module to adapt both the connector and the voltage. As you can see, there is a connector for each type of plug. In this case, my AlgoDelta engraver is already 100% compatible with the IR module, so I only need to connect its plug. The operation of focusing the laser, which is an indispensable operation in order to take full advantage of power, is very simple in this case. You simply pull out the built-in focusing column, then open the module's locking lever and drop it down until it touches the object to be engraved. At this point, you tighten the locking lever and you are done. As a first step, I tried the infrared module on a jewel-sized medallion, because I wanted to create something unique. The work was very easy and the machine performed very well, providing an excellent result in terms of detail and sharpness. I then tried with other logos and with other materials like steel, brass, copper and aluminum. And the infrared laser always performed well, thanks to its excellent focus. Summing up my experience, I can say that the IR module is an excellent accessory for those who want to achieve precision engravings on the most common metals, and it completes the equipment of your laser engraver.